Hi there, this is Irfan here from Incubator.com and welcome to another breakdown video, guys. In this video, I want to show you so many beautiful setups, literally so many beautiful setups that happen on a few pairs: GBPUSD, EURUSD, gold, not NAS 100, these three pairs. I want to show you exactly what happened. I took NAS 100. But the rest of the things I was just watching because today's Wednesday, and the setup that I actually noticed on NAS 100 was like looked better to me. I just want to share everything with you guys. So let's start with GBPUSD, guys. This is exactly 8:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. I wake up at 8, which in my time is 6 a.m. And then the first thing I noticed was this huge break of a structure that happened right here. See, guys, this break of a structure happened. So I know that the trend of the market is uptrend since we have multiple break of structures. And then after that, since I noticed that we have an uptrend, everything was good. I couldn't find any high probability supply or demand zones except this one right here, this one. But it really depends how the next candle is going to close like. So yeah, this is a high probability supply zone that we have right here. And then I switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame, and then I noticed that right here we have a high probability demand zone from here to here. So for this one, I was just waiting for the price to tap into this level, and I was just watching it to see how it performs and how it reacts to this zone right here that I just specified on a 15-minute time frame. Because if you pay attention, you can't see any high probability order block or demand zone in 5-minute time frame. It's only visible on 15-minute time frame. So I was just curious to see how it reacts to this one. So I was just waiting and waiting and waiting, and then I noticed that this candle literally tapped into this level, into this zone. And look at this rejection, guys. Look at this rejection. Like, it's crazy. It's a beautiful candle that formed, but it wasn't enough for me to buy it. So the only thing you need to do after you see such a thing, that it's you have the trend right, it's uptrend, you have your high probability order block right, and also you have your candle right. So you have 3 confirmations, and if you want to take it, you got to take it above the previous candle, which is here. And you can also put your stop loss below the candle if you want to. So in this case, since we have this high probability order block as well, the realistic scenario is that you put your TP right here. But if I want to put my TP here, it's not even a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. So that's why in this case you need to close it manually if you have a high probability order block near your entry, because you don't want to have a 0.4 risk reward ratio. You want to have at least 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 minimum is right here, which is exactly in the middle of the zone. So let's see what happened after that. Boom, done. 1-to-1 is taken. This candle literally blasted through this zone and made it invalid, and we could easily take our 1-to-1 trade. The second scenario is that you take 2 trades, you close the first one 1-to-1, and you close the second one, and you just leave a runner for the second one. And if I wanted to leave a runner all the way to the furthest resistance level, which is this one, it would be something like this. See, guys, it would literally tap my TP if I wanted to leave a runner. But in most cases, I don't do that. I just take 1 trade, close it 1-to-1. I'm happy, I'm done for the day. Take me 20 minutes, goodbye, until next day. But if I wanted to leave a runner, I would have taken better trades with higher risk to reward ratios. So like this one exactly. It's a beautiful one, guys. I really like it. And this was GBPUSD. So let me show you what exactly happened on gold, which really caught my attention, and I really loved it, guys. So let me do yeah, a little bit of replay for you. Yeah, this was a beautiful one, guys. And this was exactly when I woke up. Yeah. So the market, the price was exactly right here when I opened the gold chart. And again, I did the same thing. I was trying to look for high probability supply and demand zones on 5-minute time frame. And as you can see, there is nothing here. There's no high probability order block, or I would say high probability supply and demand zones on 5-minute time frame. Again, right here I found one, which I specified, and I switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame, and I found the second one, because you take the last 2 candles, because in most cases it actually works on last 2 candles. And then I was waiting for that again, I was waiting and waiting and waiting to see how many structures we have. Right here, it formed a high probability order block from here to here. So if you wanted to take it, it would be on your own risk because it's already dropped significantly. So in this case, if you wanted to take this high probability order block, you could have put your TP, your entry here, your TP right here, and your stop loss above this level. I don't know whether it works or not. Yeah, it actually works. It actually worked. So you could have taken this sell position because this was a high probability order block. It literally tapped into it after it formed, and it was a beautiful candle. So this would be a really good sell, the first trade. The second one, and also right here, guys, look at this. Another high probability supply zone. Because we had a huge drop towards downside. This candle tapped into this level. Again, you can take your sell position here, put your stop loss here, and your 1-to-1 here. Boom. And the main thing happened. 2 sell trades, all of them profitable. And this candle literally tapped into our 15-minute high probability demand zone. And look at this beautiful rejection, guys. Look at this beautiful candle. So if you take your sell buy position here, put your stop loss here, and your TP right here, right after that, literally a candle after that can hit your TP. But if you want to leave a runner, you can leave it all the way to this area. So you take your 1-to-1 and then you leave a runner all the way to here. Let's see. Yep. Or yeah, you can actually close it somewhere close to here, because if I wanted to close it here, which is we have so much liquidity around this area, it would have tapped it. See, it was way lower than that. If I wanted to put my TP here, it probably would have been a reversal, but I don't know how far it's gonna go. Yeah, but it would be almost 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade. In this case, I just take a 1-to-1, guys. But if you want to leave it, you can leave a runner all the way to here to stop out all the buyers. But I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't leave it that long. I'm just showing you. And when I leave a runner, I don't close the second one exactly at support or resistance level, because of the spread and because of like something like this that might happen. So that's why I bring it down a little bit like this. If I bring it down just a little bit, see that this candle literally tapped my TP. It hit my TP. But if I wanted to put it exactly at the resistance level, I would have missed it, and I don't want to. That's why I bring it down. Sometimes right here. See, sometimes I put it right here. And I don't care that we have so much liquidity above this level. No, I want to close it earlier. And this one is a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. But look at the 1-to-1, guys. Beautiful and clean and easy. So just using high probability order block. And see, we don't have any high probability demand zone on 5-minute time frame. It's only on 15-minute time frame. And it tapped into our 15-minute time frame, gave us a really good confirmation, and boom, see what happened. It was a beautiful one, guys. This is for gold. Let me show you what happened on EURUSD, which was a really good one as well, and it's really worth watching. And this is what I took, guys. This was a trade that I took, because look at this. We had multiple breakout structures towards downside, so it means that the trend of the market is bearish. This one is bearish because it broke the structure, broke the structure, broke the structure, and we have a high probability order block here because I take the last 2 candles, and then after that we had a huge drop towards downside. The next candle never tapped into this zone, so there's a gap in between. That's why it makes this zone a high probability supply zone. And I was just waiting for the price to tap into this level, and it did. And after seeing this beautiful candle which was a, I don't know, I mean, I don't know the names, like, you know, evening candle or hammer, I don't really care about the names, but I just recognize them by watching them, by seeing them actually, the pattern. And then I could take my sell position here, put my stop loss here, and my TP literally right here. Not 1-to-1, not 1-to-1, literally right here. It's a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio trade, just using order blocks. I'm not using an indicator, I'm not using anything else, just pure price action, high probability order blocks, and that's it. And that's how we can take a trade, guys. And this is the next closest a high probability demand zone, as you can see right here, because of this spike towards upside. The next candle never tapped into this zone, so that's why there is a gap, and that's why this is a high probability order block. But look at this, guys. It was a beautiful one. It was literally a beautiful one from here to here. If you can recognize them, if you can trade according to the trend, everything would match really, really well. But let me show you the other trade that happened on it before 8:30. It actually 9:30, sorry. When the price dropped significantly, we had two choices. The first choice was using a Fibonacci level. So if I switch it to a 15-minute time frame, you'll see that it started from here and the correction has started here. So from here to here, it would be my Fibonacci level. And look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful rejection. So a lot of people get tempted to take their sell position here and close their profit here, but it's not a really good risk-reward ratio, because at the end of the day, you have this support here. See, let's say you have this golden zone, which is between 50 and 60%. You take your sell position here, you put your stop loss here, and your TP exactly right here. It's a one-to-one trade. Let's see what happens. See, you get a stopped out. That's what I'm saying. The probability for Fibonacci is way less than high probability supply and demand zones. And this is exactly how you stopped out. You get a stopped out. But again, I'm not saying that you can't use it, because literally right here, because of this break of a structure, because of the trend of the market, which is bullish, you just need to wait for a reversal, and then you can literally put your Fibonacci level here and drag it all the way to up. You'll see that you have this Fibonacci level here, and if you wait for the price, you'll see that you have a really good candle after that. This is a really good rejection, this is a really good rejection, and then you can take your buy position above the previous candle, put your stop loss here and your TP right here, and you can literally take it. I'm not saying Fibonacci doesn't work, but I'm saying the probability is less. So even this one was a really beautiful trade, and I could take it because it respected everything. But again, I love high probability order blocks more, and right here we have another high probability demand zone that I can just wait for the price to tap into this level, and then after that see how it's going down. See, bullish engulfing candle, take your buy position, put your stop loss here, one-to-one, take your profit, done for the day. See, one-to-one, beautiful, just using Fibonacci level. Again, break of a structure, the price dropped, you can use your Fibonacci level from here to here. It tapped into the golden zone, but we have this high probability order block right here above that. So that's why I don't really consider this one anymore, because look at this. It came up, momentum. I took my sell position all the way down here, just using high probability supply and demand zones. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified, guys. And before you go, I want to show you the results of Goldie Incubator since March 7th that they installed this account on, and all the way to April 19th, which is almost 70% in profit on a $1,000 account. This is not updated. Our balance is $100 more than that. And like during the London session, it actually crushed it on Tuesday night. So if you want to grab your license, guys, go check out smartyincubator.com. I'm going to leave a link below this video, and then try it for 14 days for free. If there's no profit at all, then I give you the full refund. But send us your account number, we'll manually activate your account, and you can enjoy your profits. So if you have any question, drop your comment here, and see you in the next one.